In this video on our journey throughout Japan, we'll be exploring Hyatt House Shibuya and the surrounding area. Hi, come on in. Welcome to the Hyatt House Shibuya. So this is our unit. We got a 1 king bed. At the time it was a cat 1 through 4, so we're staying here for 2 nights. And I booked 1 night using a free night certificate and the other night using points. It was 18,000 points per night. But for the upcoming year it's going up to a cat 5, so you won't be able to use a cat 1 through 4 certificate anymore. This is a Hyatt House, so it's meant for extended stays. Because of that, it has a lot of great amenities like a microwave, and then a really large refrigerator and freezer. It's also got a hot plate and good amount of cooking utensils. But of course, being at Tokyo Shibuya, you pretty much never have to cook if you don't want to. It's also got a nice big sink and some dish soap. And there's an espresso for coffee, and there's also tea here. Like I said, we got a 1 king bed, and then there's a nice little mini sofa. And we're on the 12th floor, and we have a decent view actually of the city. One thing that's really nice about the rooms at the Hyatt House is that it comes with a unit combined washer and dryer. So this guy down here, it's not the biggest, but since it's in unit, you know, you can do as many loads as you want. And then they give us some laundry detergent. It's got a shower and bath combined, and then a bidet. Okay, so we just settled in, and there's a few things that I forgot to mention. The cash price of the hotel for each night, at the time I booked it, each night was about $620. Also, we found out that they gave us pajamas, which is pretty cool. This hotel is pretty good about recycling. There's a few different options, recyclables and combustibles. And also under here, cans, bottles, and your normal trash. And then the last thing, they do give you some toiletries. Razor, toothbrush, cotton swabs, and a hairbrush. This hotel isn't the fanciest, but the room is really usable. There's luggage storage under the bed, and then another drawer right here. They make use of pretty much every space available. You get some shelves, and all of these are pretty much for your usage. The hotel is located at Shibuya Sakura Stage, which is connected to the Shibuya train station, and is only a 5 to 10 minute walk away from the famous Shibuya Scramble crossing. There's so much to do in Shibuya that you really have to choose your own adventure. We decided to visit a cat cafe on our first day there. On our way back to the hotel, we were able to see some wonderful cherry blossoms. The ones you see here are less than 5 minutes away from the hotel. Next, we'll take a 20-minute walk from the Hyatt House Shibuya to the Meguro River. If you're a coffee drinker, you have to check out the Starbucks Reserve, which is right near the Meguro River. While here, we picked up some gifts for our coffee-loving friends back home and some exclusive Sakura-themed Starbucks cups. We had a couple Sakura-themed drinks and pastries while enjoying the view of the cherry blossoms from inside. We had lunch at D47 Shokudo, which is a restaurant that serves set meals based on different areas of Japan. We recommend making a reservation on Tablelog if you're looking to eat here. The food was quite good, and the restaurant also had a view of Shibuya Crossing. To conclude our time in Shibuya, we had a set menu at a sushi place. There's a wide variation of sushi places in Japan. I would say that this is on the medium end of the spectrum. It definitely wasn't super pricey, but not what I would consider cheap either. If you're interested in checking out any of the restaurants we went to, I will leave links in the description. What are your thoughts on Hyatt House Shibuya? Is there anything that you like to do in Shibuya? Leave a comment below. If you want to follow the rest of our Japan trip, click the link on screen now.